This is a 2014 Sunseeker 3170Ds, 32-foot Class C with 2 slides. Comes with a 5-year service contract. It is a Ford chassis, a 6.8 liter V10 with 19,000 miles. You have a dinette sleeper, a sofa sleeper, a loft with a HD TV that swings out, the kitchen counter has a flip-up counter, 2-door refrigerator, a mid-twin sofa sleeper, walk-around queen bed, For more information, just give us a call at 1-360-314-6141. And I would like to say, welcome to Annie's RV in Vancouver, Washington.